Hey guys, welcome back to our kitchen, and today we're gonna teach you how to make some delicious funnel cake. The ingredients are 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a half a tablespoon of baking powder, a little bit of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and half a cup of milk. We're gonna add all our dry ingredients. First, we're gonna add the sugar. Then we're gonna add the baking powder. Then we're going to add a pinch of salt. And then we're gonna mix it up. We're gonna get to our wet ingredients. For our wet ingredients, we can add half a cup of milk. And then our 1 egg, the vanilla, after you mix that, you just want to start mixing. Slowly add our batter. To mix it and to make our batter. You want to mix it good. So what you need is a thermometer. The oil has to be at 370 to 375. So we're just gonna start pouring it in.